Got Tuscan Raider this. They're just now moving.
Do what?
I said they're just now moving.
Watch that right side, guys. They're coming down.
I'm here for moral support.
Another one running down left. Behind the gray barrier.
Can't see shit. The sun's brutal. He's down, he's down. I think I see Chi.
Where do you see him?
Way over there. Shut up, okay, Christian? I'm trying.
I see Chi. No, it's just the way you said it was funny.
This pistol ain't gonna do me shit. They're moving left pretty hard.
Watch up center.
He's down, he's down.
He's
Damn,
down.
I actually got him.
Did you really?
Yes.
Oh, good shit.
I told you, Chi! I'll tag you back. I love you though. It's a love-hate relationship,
He didn't
apparently.
respond.
I know.
How does that make you feel?
I feel sad, actually. Kind of depressive about that. I feel so helpless.
You want espresso? I mean, you got
Sure.
Chi.
Yeah, I got Chi with my pistol. Because I can actually hit stuff. Oh, look at that little kid.
Right.
This is my goof off game. Hey, wooden barrier right there. See that bunker? I can't hit it. Left. There's a bunker with a little window.
Oh.
Yeah, he's got a sniper. Oh, he's got the sniper! What you see? Ah! We can't do anything.
Green building. 2 in building.
One more time.
Green building, and then there's some in a small brown, like little bunker.
There's 2 in the building that I can see.
I don't know what building you're even.
One more moving up. Ah, he's out. Good shot.
I can't see crap.
There's 2 behind the green building. He's hit.
You want to cover that side while I move to this barrier?
Yeah, I got you.
Ready?
Yep. Go. How's that left side looking, guys? Good. I can't see through the sun.
There's a small brown bunker right at my 12. There's like 3 or 4 in there.
Far right, like far right.
Hey, Jason, hard right.
Hard right. Left side's clear, so middle and right.
Yeah, I can tell. They're trying a different approach. There's still some in that middle bunker. Brown right there. You see it? Got a small window in the middle. Obviously, I can't hit them.
The blue polo shirt's back.
Gee. Where's he at?
Right at my 12.
I don't know where your 12 is.
Behind that wood.
Is he going to that little bunker?
See him? Left side.
Wow! Tango down. I got another. That was a long shot.
So proud of
I feel proud for myself.
I can't tell if I'm getting shot at or if someone's shooting the barrel.
You're getting shot at.
No.
It's that brown bunker. I can't hit him.
I can't see him. The sun's terrible.
How can you not see that polo?
Dude, I can't see through. Oh.
It's G.
Gee, that's a pretty hard. I don't know.
It's hard to miss that.
Dude, this sun's like right in my eyes.
There's a bunch stacked up on green building, right side.
pit, one pit.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Still in brown bunker.
Oh, sweet. That's sweet. You can't shoot through that brush. Might get a better vantage point from where you're at.
Not really. And I'm getting quite a lot of fire. But I can't hit them because, you know, small gun life. Shit. Yep. Fucking. There we go. I didn't think about this reload process. Shut the fuck up, Christian.
How's the left side looking, guys?
Left side looks good. Oh, that's crisp.
Thank you. Pushing grid building, right side. Thank you for the communication. I love you all.
I love you too, bud. Oh, I see Chi.
Where?
He's getting left side.
I see you. We see you, Jay.
Christian!
Yeah.
Where's he at?
I think he got hit. I can't tell. I don't see him.
No, he's still up.
Left side.
I know!
Pushing right side. Two coming down left. Three left. Watch that far right. How's the middle looking, guys?
There's like 3 left up here. Yeah, there's still a bunch in middle. 3 on left side.
There's 2 behind the water container left side. I told you, G! Are you proud of me, Christian? Thank you, Dad. Ice cream. Oh no! I love ice cream. Hey, Christian. Christian! What's it look like over there? Right here? Okay. Okay. Watch those water container on far left side. I don't know if anybody's over there. They're in that brown bunker still, mid. Woohoo! Christian! Oh no! Christian, did you die? I'm so sad. There's like a brown bunker in mid. I can't see him, I can't shoot him. Yeah. He's like peeking through the window. He's still in that brown bunker in mid. Watch out, you're getting fire. Hey, push up the trailer! I need more help, please. If you can get on the backside of the trailer and look down that alley, there's a couple at the water container on the left side. I'm not doing so hot, brother. Yes, I need help, please. I got a pistol. What do you expect? They're on there. Oh, they're in that brown bunker still, in mid. They're suppressing me hard. They know I got a pistol. You seize it, huh? Well, that don't really help me in the sense that I still need help. What do you expect? Watch out though, they got a good line of sight on me right now from that brown bunker. You'll probably get shot from there, not gonna lie.
Bro.
Alex!
No!
Run! What?